My next rant is about Iqoo. Iqoo is announced an event on July 19th where they will be launching the Iqoo 10 and the 9T. Both are supposedly to come by Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 processors. The Iqoo 10 is supposed to have 200 watts charging. That's the highest charging in any phone till now. The Iqoo 9T is supposed images have leaked to the triple camera setup with 20x zoom with Vivo's V1 custom chip. It might have a E5 AMOLED screen, 120Hz refresh rate screen, and comes with 120 watt charging. Just think about it. Samsung, Apple are not giving charging. Samsung chargers in the box. Samsung supports up to 45 watts charging. Iqoo is giving 120 watts charging in the 9T, which is a cheaper model, and the 10 is going to get 200 watt charging. 10 Pro. Strange world. And they're giving chargers in the box as well. Strange world. Anyway, hope Iqoo prices it properly and people get more options. Thank you.